The next stock on our list is MELI, also known as MercadoLibre, and it's the leading online marketplace in Latin America. MELI offers a comprehensive e-commerce platform where consumers can buy and sell a wide range of products in various categories. Additionally, it has established itself as a powerful player in the fintech space. Through Mercado Pago, their payment solutions, they offer digital wallets, credit and debit cards, QR code payments, and point-of-sale systems. They also offer financial services ranging from investments to loans and insurance. MELI has become a one-stop shop for e-commerce and fintech solutions, creating a convenient and trustworthy ecosystem. In addition, their growth has been ramping up in recent years as a result of the overall e-commerce trends and disruption of the Big Five Brazil banks. As far as their operational performance goes, revenue growth has been astonishing, with an improving free cash flow yield currently around 6%. In addition, their ROIC stands at 14.3% currently, which indicates top-tier operational efficiency. As far as management goes, the CEO has a 93% approval rating, with 86% of employees saying they would recommend the workplace to a friend. However, our analyst calculated an intrinsic value of roughly $1,800 per share, indicating that the stock is fairly valued right now with a narrow margin of safety. But if the growth continues, which seems likely, that could bolster the share price.